Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what the exit button on your Directv control can do besides exiting out of menus. If you have like YouTube on your smart TV, you can hit the exit button and go back to satellite. If you have, let's say, over the air, you hit the exit button and go back to satellite. See the satellite indication up there on the top. And we'll go one more. If you have, let's say, Chromecast, you hit the exit button, go back to satellite. But you do have to have your CEC enabled under System. Oh, too much. CEC Consumer Electronics Control provides automatic control of HDMI devices using the TV remote. And of course it has to be enabled. Thanks for watching.